Guys, what's up guys? Let's check that out. That is the Metro right here where I was by the park. Avocado right there. This guy has chips. This one has mango and fruits. And this place right here, Panaderia, Respoteria, Mazap. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Roadside. Today is another beautiful day. Wow, I came on the right week. Beautiful sunny days here in Medellin, Colombia, guys. I'm gonna head out to Santa Fe Mall. I'm gonna drink some water before I leave. And the water here, guys, is amazing. I know I mentioned that before, but yo, it's amazing, cold, nice water, with really good, refreshing. It's so good, guys. The water's amazing here in Medellin. But anyways, I'm gonna go to Santa Fe Mall. I wanna check that out. You know, I'll do like a little, a little walk tour there at that mall. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you guys Laureles, and then I'm gonna go to the mall, Santa Fe Mall. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, I'm about to head out. Let's hold on. Let's turn off the lights. And let's enjoy this beautiful weather. Another sunny day, guys. Let me sure it's locked. Okay, good. Another beautiful day here in Medellin, Colombia, guys, in Laureles. We're gonna go explore the area where I'm at. Here where the locals are. This is why I booked this Airbnb. A lot of things close by. I'll show you guys around. And I'm just gonna do a walk tour right now. And once I do that, then I'm gonna go to Santa Fe Mall and check that place out, and grab something to eat there. If plans change, I'll let you guys know. But that is the plan right now. And check this out, guys. For safety, there's a door here and there's a door there, and then this is like sensor. You don't even touch it. You just go like that, and it opens up. It's pretty cool. So this is where I'm at, guys, in Laureles, which I showed you guys before. I'll show you guys again. Pretty nice. That's the building where I'm at. And I showed you guys before the grocery store is right here, actually. Like a couple steps away, right here on the right, where the motorcycle is. That is the supermarket where I bought a couple of things there. So this is why I love doing Airbnbs, because I could just buy anything and I have something always on the fridge. This is the area, guys. Pretty nice building up there. Look at this place I showed you guys before. That's a Mexican spot, Mexican restaurant here. Quinchingon, Floresta. Let's walk. Where should we walk? Should I go that way or this way? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Beautiful day, guys. Another 85-degree weather here in Medellin, Colombia. Medellin, Colombia, Laureles, guys. Laureles is another great spot. It's good vibes. There's a lot of people. There's another nice building here. It's not bad. What is this place? It's like a party city type thing. Like a Hallmark. So the sun is not too strong yet. So that's a good thing, because it is 85 degrees today. Yesterday the sun was so strong that I'm getting tanned. Should I go this way or that way? Let me go this way. Look at that building right there, guys. Not bad. So yeah, a lot of people here has pets. They have dogs. It's pretty cool. And there's a lot of pet-friendly places, which I think is cool. I love pets. I love dogs. I know I mentioned that before. I think I may get my own dog, but I do travel a lot. So I don't know. It's a big decision I gotta make. Yeah, look at this. Look at this nice view, guys. Straight ahead up there, you see the mountain views? It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Just walking around Laureles, guys. Floresta. You gotta be careful when you walk. Everywhere has steps. You gotta always keep an eye. See, you could just easily get hurt. So you gotta be careful. And any sidewalk here in Colombia, see that right now it's a little hilly right here. But now it's flat right now. There's a step here. You gotta really be careful, cause you could get hurt. So be careful. It has happened to people. I heard that it has happened to people. So just be careful. Like right here, see that? You could easily trip right there. Look at that. Look at this. See, like, just be careful. That's all. Jazz nail spa here. And see, like this? Look at that hole. I could have easily stepped on that. It's like a lot of holes and all that, so you gotta be careful when you walk in anywhere here. So yeah, guys, I keep looking around because you gotta be street smart. You gotta watch your back. Anywhere you go, I mean, this place is good vibes, good area. Oh, they have a supermarket here. Ada, it's called Ada. It's good to know. So, looks like that's a school up there. Yeah, that's definitely a school. They're like playing and stuff. Look, another supermarket spot. All right. Actually, it's like a little convenience store. Obviously, when you cross the street, you gotta be careful too, because drivers don't care about the pedestrians, so be careful with that too. Let's go this way now. And do not. Oh, it's nice breeze over here. It's pretty cool. I love it. Just be careful, guys. Whenever you walk by, like right now with my camera out, obviously I gotta be careful. You guys gotta be careful too. So I put my camera on this side because any bike riders come this way, they can just snatch my camera. So that same thing with your phone. Be careful with that. So I'm about to put my camera away soon. So can't trust nowhere. Even if I'm in a pretty good area, still gotta be careful because I'm not from around here. So don't wear jewelry, flashing jewelry. Obviously, don't wear fancy clothes neither. I just have simple clothing, I'll show you right now. This is what I have, just a regular t-shirt, jeans, and my sneakers. That's it. Nothing crazy. Yeah, so, oh, let's cross through here. This is pretty cool. Little bridge here. Look at this park, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Now I just saw it. Everything I'm seeing right now is like brand new. Look at this park. You could work out here. It's crazy. Like outdoor. Like you could do sit-ups. You know? Look at this. You could do pull-ups right there. It's pretty neat. All right, guys. I'm about to put my camera away because I don't, you know, I just gotta watch my back. And then I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, what's up, guys? Let's check that out. That is the Metro right here where I was by the park. I had to turn on the camera again to show you guys. That's the Metro. So I'm actually walking distance away. This is why I booked the Airbnb also, because I could take the bus if I want to. I could take the Metro, which is a train, if I want to. So that's pretty neat. Look at all these plants. This is nice. All these plants. Nice and green over here. I haven't taken a bus yet. Maybe some other time I'll do it. I did take the Metro. So yeah, the Metro's up there, guys. Wow, the weather, guys, is amazing. It doesn't feel like 85. It's a nice breeze. So it's not as strong as yesterday, like the sun, you know, the sunny wise. There's a lot of street vendors here. Street vendors. Well, they're not working right now. They're probably taking a break. So that's the Metro up here. Look at all the taxi cabs. Street vendor right there selling stuff. Avocado right there. This guy has chips. This one has mango and fruits. And this place right here, panaderia, repostería, mazapan. It gets crowded here, guys. Like, look at all the people. This guy's selling sausages. Let me cross the street. They're selling stuff here. You get like little souvenirs. ¿Cómo están? This little stand right here is selling candy, pizza, and KFC. Gas station, as you saw. There's a lot of action over here. A ton of motorcycles here. reminds me of my country. My country has a lot of motorcycles, especially in Bonao City. Tons of motorcycles. But over here they have a whole bunch. It's crazy. See all these people parked, they're just taking breaks, or they're actually buying food or whatever, you know, or maybe they work around here. There's a casino right there ahead, Copacabana Casino, but I'm not doing no casino, man. Look at the taxi cab, man, small. That's how it is. Majority, they're small. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'm taking Uber actually. I'm gonna take an Uber to Santa Fe, guys, so stay tuned. It's Santa Fe Mall. Got an Uber ride. ¿Cómo estás?
Excelente que
Bien, qué bueno. Santa Fe Mall ahí. Gracias. So yeah guys, if you make sure you guys get Uber rides, because Uber rides are so great. So if you get lost walking or anything, I did not get lost. I just wanna go to this mall and get some food. But if you do get lost, request an Uber in front of any store and just put that address in, and Uber works the same as the state. So you guys can do that. It's nice and comfy, got the AC on, pretty nice. Great price too. From here to the mall, I'm only paying 13,000 pesos, which is like $3.25 US. So it's not bad at all. Most of the Uber rides, depending where you go, they're between, believe it or not guys, like between $1.50 to $3, $5, etc. That's averaging like $3 to $4, $5. Not bad at all. I'm gonna show you guys around of Laureles. They're doing construction in this apartments. That is the metro up there, guys. So the train passes by. So different cities, different towns. So there's a motorcycle right there, guys, with the Rappi. If you get that app, guys, that app is great because it's convenience. That's like Uber Eats. That's like those apps like when you deliver food and they deliver it to your house. It's so convenient. So, and the Rappi, from what I heard, I haven't done it, but you could even request money. They'll but I'm not gonna do that. You could request money, and they'll bring it to your place where you're at. That's pretty interesting.
sí, claro, tengo vuelta una montón de cuatrimotos, cabalgata, tour del café, parapente, Hacienda Nápoles.
Look at this guy right here, that's crazy. Carrying all that stuff. I think it's garbage. That's crazy. Looks like that's a school, a college maybe. There's a taxi cabs in front of us. I'm not a fan of those. Uber just makes it easier. Just put in your information. Uber, boom, it'll take you to point A to point B. With the taxi, they don't have that technology. It may be a little bit cheaper, but it's not like a big difference. But I prefer Uber, guys, if you want to get around here, Medellin, Colombia. taxi cabs are mass small. Look at that. With Uber, you could get a nicer vehicle, whatever you want. I mean, you could pay extra for better, you know, more comfortable vehicle, whatever you guys decide to do. So yeah, Rappi app, the RAPPI, is convenient. It's like Uber Eats, guys. Download the app, and you guys could, you know, whenever you guys are here, that's another way you guys could order food and bring it straight to your place. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Here at the traffic lights, guys, they do like a show in most places here in Medellin. That's like I'll show you. I think this lady is gonna do something, maybe not. They do performances and stuff like that. So look at this taxi cab, guys. Super small. Majority are like that, guys. Small. Look at that one behind. Small. Mañana la independencia de aquí, ¿verdad? De Colombia. Sí, sí, ya. Qué bueno. ¿Y qué hacen aquí en este país? ¿Se hacen como un festival o algo?
Normalmente hacen desfile militar.
Oh, militar.
Sí, es una conmemoración más militar.
Ya, ya. Está bien. Oh, esta es la 71.
Sí.
Oh, wow, qué bueno. Bueno, that's where I'm gonna go at night, guys. La 70. All this street right here, there's a lot of restaurants, bars. People, I'm gonna come here dancing tomorrow, guys. I should come here and see all this. At nighttime, it gets lit over here, guys. They call it La 70. 70th Street. All this. There's a lot of action here, and then Laureles. Look at this, guys. Rumba, ruta. See, it's a lot of action here at nighttime. It's lit over here. So a lot of restaurants, a lot of bars. There's a casino over there. It's not bad, not bad. So I think I'm gonna come and have a couple of drinks, maybe dance a little bit. Why not? Have fun, enjoy life. You know? You only live once, man. I'll show you guys. It's like another good spot. And besides Poblado, you guys have the option to come here to La 70. Stay tuned, guys. I might head to the mall. Should be there. Stay tuned, guys.
Vamos acá. Sí, entonces imagínate, se pensionan allá con $2,000, $2,500,
Sí.
$3,000 y
Exacto, sí,
no
sí.
alcanza para. Y si tiene una pensión y una renta, porque de pronto trabajó y tiene una propiedad para rentar,